Good morning from Barcelona, Spain. Officially second day kasi kahapon ako dumating dito ng hapon, mga around 1 o'clock I think, 1:30. Pero dahil may work ako, hindi ako gumala. So today is the first day na gagala ako. And the only stop that I have today would be the Sagrada La Familia. And I'm already here inside. Medyo mahaba yung queue papasok ng Sagrada La Familia. Sobrang daming tao. And mahigpit yung security nila dito Parang airport, in fairness. Nagtanggal pa ako ng mga relo, belt, bags, jacket and all. So yeah, that's the iconic Sagrada La Familia. And yan, cute si Kuya. Cutie pie. Anyway, so yan na nga po. Pasok tayo sa loob. Let's go! So, andito na ako sa loob ng La Sagrada de Familia. And medyo magulo yung buhok ko kasi bawal yung sombrero. Maganda siya sa labas, pero I think mas maganda yung church from the inside. Look. Taas yung mga columns. And then, mas stained glass. Diba? Grabe siya. Okay, so nahihila na akong tumingala saka mag-ikot. Ang sakit ng ulo ko today. Anyway, iikot-ikot ako just to see what it looks like inside. Akong guided tour, so self-explore lang tayo today. And ito ang view ng Sagrada Familia from afar. Kasi kanyan, di ba, super close-up natin. Actually, mas maganda siyang tingnan pag yung malayo. Medyo eyesore lang yung construction, pero it has been like this for like over 100 years. Diba? You never seen a photo of La Sagrada de Familia without the construction. Diba? Kasi nga, ganun siya for more than 100 years, but it's almost complete. I think this year, kompleto na siya. Next stop is Casa Batlló, and nag-train ako from Sagrada Familia papunta dito. And this is actually a nice area, you know. So, mga shopping street and all that. And then ito, malawag yung kalsada. And nice yung mga building dito. Okay, so yeah. Yung Casa Batlló, Casa Mila, dito lang siya sa harap. Lahat ng mga yon is designed also by Gaudi, same designer of the Sagrada Familia. There you go. So our next stop is Pasig de Garcia. Dito yung street kung saan nandun yung Casa Batlló ni Gaudi, and then other modernist architects design. Yan, di na tayo pumunta sa loob, pero may ticket kasi pumunta sa loob Medyo expensive siya. Kaya dito na lang tayo sa labas and adore the architecture from the outside. Aside from the Casa Batlló, nandito din yung Casa Mila, which we are going to go to as well in a bit. So yeah, if you can see yung architecture niya, di ba, parang yung maintindihan ko bungo ba siya or buto or di ba, it's very unique. So ito na nga yung isa pa, which is the Casa Mila. Casa Mila by Gaudi. Mas popular yung Casa Batlló, pero parang mas nicer to, no? Or dahil lang nasa corner siya, dahil mas malaki, pero mas colorful yung isa. Yeah, it's nice. Stand out siya talaga, oh. compared sa mga building dito sa paligid. Diba? Okay. It's time to go home. Let's go. Good morning, and it's our day 4 here in Barcelona. Kahapon hindi ako gumala dahil sobrang lakas ng ulan. But today, sobrang lakas pa din. Pero sabi ko, lalabas na ako. Kasi last day ko na makapag-ikot ng Barcelona. Because tomorrow, I'm gonna go to Girona for a day trip. Pero ito, right now, I'm in the La Boqueria, St. Joseph. Dito sa La Rambla, ang pickpocket capital of Europe. Ayan. So, isa siyang market. Ang dami kang bibili mga fresh seafoods, mga hamonado, kanina may mga candy, nuts, all sort of stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy anything, pero sobrang daming Pilipino na nagpo-work dito. May nag-abot sa akin ng free taste kanina. Sabi ko salamat. Sabi niya sa akin, ay Tagalog ka pala. So, yan. Let's go. Let's explore. And then after this, we're gonna go to the Latin Quarter. Hindi ako nag-vlog kanina doon sa kalsada kasi medyo natatakot ako doon sa dami ng tao sa labas. Bilang ito nga ang pickpocket capital, no? At least dito sa loob, parang medyo kung may dumukot ng ano ko, mahahabol ko siya kasi masikip na. Unlike doon, ang dami yung matatakbuhan. Medyo lumakad-lakad pa ako kasi lumabas na yung araw. So, yan, may nakita akong square dito. It's very nice. Nice square. Yan. With the restaurants. And then, what's even nicer is itong alley sa loob. Yan. May mga maliliit na street dyan, an alley. Na may mga shops, may mga restaurants. So, it's nice and old. Yan, dito yan sa Gothic Quarter. Buti medyo umaraw sa tumigil yung ilan at nakita ko to. If not, sayang. Because this place is really nice and beautiful. Kasi when I think of Spain, ito yung nasa isip ko. Ito yung na-expect ko makita. Yung ganitong mga kalye. Ay! Medyo nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog, no? Kasi nga umuulan. And medyo inconvenient na ibaba ko yung payong, then kunin ko tong camera sa bag. And takot ako na baka mabasa tong camera kasi it's not waterproof or water resistant. But anyway, I'm here in front of the Barcelona Cathedral. Supposedly, dapat malami pa akong ibang area na bibisitahin dito sa may Gothic Quarter. And also, pupunta dapat ako dun sa National Palace to see the Magic Fountain. And also dun sa Arc de Triomphe. Pero I decided to call it a day and this is going to be my last stop here in Barcelona. So officially wrapping up my Barcelona trip here at the cathedral because tomorrow I am going to go to Girona. I'm still gonna go back to Barcelona kasi dito pa rin yung home base ko, yung hotel ko. But yeah, sa Sunday kasi ng umaga, pupunta na ako ng Madrid. So, wala na akong time to explore other parts of Barcelona. So, yeah, this is the last stop. I'll see you in Girona tomorrow. Ciao! Good morning and welcome to the beautiful city of Girona. So, this is just a 40 minutes train ride from Barcelona. And it's a nice city. Nandito pa lang ako sa pinaka-entrance. Papunta dun sa old part of the city. So, ito yung bridge. Ano nga ba yung pangalan ng bridge na to? I forgot. Pedro? Yata. But anyway, that one, yung pula doon, is the Eiffel Bridge. The same material designer ng Eiffel Tower. And then, we're gonna go that way. Yun yung papunta doon sa Old Town. And, yeah, Girona is famous for Game of Thrones, I guess. Kasi dito nag-shoot yung Game of Thrones. And also, there's a lot of... This is known also as a biker city, no? So, kakadating ko pa lang kanina, ang dami ng mga nagbabike. It's very nice. This is actually one of my options kung saan ako titira. I think the cost of living is not that high as compared to the bigger cities. So let's explore and see if this is gonna be a good candidate for my permanent base here in Spain. Yeah, let's go! So, kakagawa ko nung mga short clips para do sa reels ng Game of Thrones. Nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog. But anyway, nadaanan ko na yung cathedral kanina, which is hindi ko na vlog. And then right now, andito ako doon sa parang old castle. Dito sa likod. Sa likod ko, sorry. Ito, dito sa likod ko yung old castle. And then, pakita ko nga. Yan, so that's the old castle. Ayan. I climbed through those stairs earlier and I'm gonna climb down now. And then itong nasa harap ko is Banis Arabs. So that one is also used, this bridge, and then that bathhouse was also used as a Game of Thrones shooting location. Mostly ito yung ginamit for Bravos, no? Kung nasaan nung bulag si Arya, nagte-training siya for para maging no one, faceless man. So yeah, this is the location. And then I'm gonna go to the plaza kung saan yung may yung scene sa Game of Thrones kung saan may performance about cutting the head of Ned Stark. So yun yung natin pupuntahan, yung part na yung gustong patay ni Arya yung actress. Pero, she changed her mind. Oh yeah. Dito din yung part nung nagkahabulan sila, nagpapatayan sila nung kasama niyang girl na mag-training. And then also, dito siya nagtitinda nung oyster clams and cockles. So yeah, dito din yung Citadel. We're gonna go later to the Citadel. Okay, so apparently nasa loob pala yung ng museum, yung Citadel. So I don't wanna pay 7 euros just to see the inside, no? Tapos pipicturean ko lang ng 10 seconds. But anyway, this is how it looks from the outside. Yan, that is Citadel, kung saan nag-aral si Sam. Yan, Citadel. It's actually a church. And now it's already a museum. Okay. So, tapos na yung tapos na yung ang tawag dyan? Rally. Okay, may rally kasi kanina eh. But anyway, so it's tapos na. So, ito na. Ito na yung cathedral. High Sparrow. Yung si High Sparrow, tinake over niya yung King's Landing. Dito yun. Yung muntik na Walk of Atonement, si Queen Marjorie. This is the exact place. So, dun sa Game of Thrones, madami mga guards dito. And then, nakasakay si Jaime Lannister ng horse. Bakit siya doon? Yan. Okay. Diba? So, akit ulit ako dyan kasi may pupuntahan akong part. Which is nasa likod niyan. So, yeah. More stairs today. Oyster clams and cockles. So, ito na nga yung place kung saan nagpatihulog si Arya Stark. Nagpagulong-gulong siya dyan habang naghahabulan sila ng girl. Hindi din siya nagtitinda ng oyster clams and cockles. Yan. So, hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ko na ding i-video yung mga iba kong napuntahan. But this is gonna be the last stop for the Game of Thrones shooting location. Ang next na gagawin ko is, the regular site here in Girona. Okay, we're now on top of Girona. Halos sumuko na ako paakyat dito kasi bilang duwag tayo, nanginginig na yung tuhod ko. Tsaka hinihingil na ako. Pero, pag-akyat ko dito, worth it naman. Look, ito from the back is the view of the mountain. Nandito ako sa tuktok ng medieval walls. And then, ito yung simbahan. Kanina pinuntahan natin. Cathedral. And then, that is the city. The city of Girona. Ayan. Layo na nilakad ko. Feeling ko naka 20,000 steps na ako for today. So, I'm just resting here right now at the restaurant. And I ordered food. Sangria de copa. And then nag-order ako ng calamares with French fries. Nintay ko na lang. And it's almost 4 o'clock and my train ride back to Barcelona is 5:30. So maybe I'll spend an hour here and then I'll go back to the train station at 5 p.m. for my 5:30 train ride. I think naikot ko naman na yung buong Girona. Enjoy ko naman siya. Kahit na ilang oras lang ako naikot. 12, 1, 2, 3. 4 hours? 4 hours din pala ako naglakad eh. Okay na yun. Enjoy ko na siya. Napuntahan ko yung lahat ng Game of Thrones location na gusto ko. Apart from the inside of yung sa Citadel at saka yung bathhouse. Kasi may entrance fee, so hindi ko na pinuntahan. But the rest, success! Diba? What better way to end my Girona trip than to have sangria here at the promenade ba ang tawag dito? I'm not sure, pero hindi kasi ito dagat eh, pero river yung kaharap nito eh. Maglalakad-lakad na lang ako dito sa promenade ng Girona dito sa may harap ng river. Kasi papatay na lang ako ng oras kasi it's 4:35 and at around 5 o'clock pupunta na ako babalik na ako sa train station. Or actually pwede na ako maglakad-lakad ngayon pabalik ng train station kasi mga 15 minutes pa yung lakad papunta doon. Para I have 30 minutes before my train ride to Barcelona. Pero ito yung itsura ng mga building dito. Diba? Pag lumiko ako papasok dito sa loob, yun na yung papunta dun sa Gothic ba yung tawag doon? Medieval? Medieval quarter. Pero yeah, this street is so nice. A lot of restaurants and shops. And dito ko na i-end ang aking Girona vlog. Because tonight, I'm gonna prepare my things. Because tomorrow, pupunta na ako ng Madrid. So, we're going to start another leg. We're going to stay in Madrid for the entire week. Much longer than when we stayed here in Barcelona. Kasi dito parang Tuesday ako dumating, di ba? Until Sunday. So 5 nights. But in Barcelona, we're going to spend around 7 nights. So, yeah. This is the end of my Barcelona tour. See ya in Madrid.